According to Instagram, 70% of users look to its platform for their next purchase. Instagram isn't just a platform for pretty pictures and funny reels anymore. It's basically one of the world's biggest online malls and a continuously growing marketplace. With algorithm changes and user expectations evolving, it's time to adapt now or forever get left behind. And with more than 2 billion monthly active users, you do not want to get left behind. You're going to want to watch this video until the end because we will be unlocking the secrets to leveraging Instagram for your business the right way. We'll cover Instagram audience growth strategies, how to run effective ads, how to connect your e-commerce store to your IG, how to make reels go viral, and so much more. So congratulations, you have just selected the YouTube video that explains in detail the step-by-step roadmap to not just survive, but thrive on Instagram. So forget those generic tips you've heard 1,000 times in other videos. On this channel, we are diving deep into practical, actionable strategies that actually work. First up, growing your audience organically is the foundation of everything we'll cover in this video. Growing your audience organically without relying on paid ads is of utmost importance because it attracts followers to your page who genuinely care about your content. This leads to higher engagement rates, and you want that. These organic followers are more likely to interact with your posts, recommend your profile to others, and become loyal supporters. And in general, it just makes you as a brand more credible while also ensuring that your growth continues. To grow organically, start by optimizing your profile. What does this mean? It's just a fancy sentence that means that your page bio should be clear and enticing. Ideally, it should also have a direct link to your website. If you don't have a website yet, more on that later. Focus on creating high-quality, consistent content that resonates with your niche. This means creating posts that align with both your brand identity and audience expectations. This approach is about maintaining a balance between engaging visuals, meaningful messaging, and regular posting. Let's take Brooklinen's IG as an example. As a bedding and home essentials brand, Brooklinen creates visually appealing content that emphasizes lifestyle and relaxation. Their strategy includes leveraging customer reviews and featuring aesthetically pleasing home setups to attract an aspirational audience. With an occasional funny meme like this penguin post or this Seinfeld reference to add in a little more personality and relatability. Use trending audio for reels. Your captions are important because it leads to higher watch time. Try writing strong hooks that encourage people to read until the end. You can also add interactive elements like polls and questions to your Instagram stories to spark conversation, which also counts as engagement. Regularly engage with your audience through stories and comments. Got a comment? Perfect. Don't be rude and make sure you reply to every single comment, especially if you're just starting off. Post at optimal times and collaborate with like-minded creators or brands. This will expand your reach and boost your brand's visibility. Don't know when that is? On your profile page, go into your professional dashboard. Under Insights, tap Total Followers and scroll to the bottom to view what days and time they are most active. Oh, sorry, it's been a couple minutes since I've checked my Instagram. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, okay. People spend a lot of time on IG, myself included, so your best chance at getting the attention of potential customers is meeting them where they already are. Let's talk running ads on Instagram. IG ads can be a game changer, so utilize the Facebook Ads Manager to create targeted campaigns. Have no idea what that is and how to get started? No worries, we've made a video on this channel called How to Run Meta Ads that you can watch right here. Start by identifying your audience demographics and interests and experiment with different formats like carousel ads and story ads to see what resonates best. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to run ads on IG. Step 1, set up a business account. If you don't already have one, convert your Instagram profile to a business or creator account by going to Settings, Account, switch to Professional account. Next, link your IG account to a Facebook page. This is required for ad management. Step 2, go to the Meta Ads Manager. This tool will allow you to create, manage, and track Instagram ads. Step 3, create a campaign. Click on Create to start a new campaign. Choose an objective based on your goal, like for example, sales, and hit Continue. From there, you can choose a manual sales campaign and start filling out all the details. Reels. In order to create the best targeted campaign, you'll need to do step 4, define your target audience by demographics in order to set the age, gender, location, and language preferences. By interest and behavior, choose interests like the product or service you're selling relevant to your audience. And by lookalike audiences, who are people similar to your existing followers and customers. Personally, the easiest way I've learned to check my demo is by going into my professional dashboard on Instagram and looking at all the tabs under Insights. Here you can see the accounts reached and how many of those accounts were followers or non-followers. You can also see if most of your activity happened on your stories, your static in-feed posts, or Reels. And if you scroll to the bottom, it will tell you the top cities, countries, age range, and gender of the accounts reached. You can find the same insights for the accounts engaged and your existing followers. However, for the latter, if you scroll to the very bottom, you'll be able to see the prime window times when your followers are most active. All of these insights are so clutch, and once you realize who your demo is, you'll be able to start tailoring your ad campaigns in a much more optimal way. Moving on to step 5, set up your budget and schedule. Choose whether you want to spend a certain amount daily or over the entire campaign, then pick specific dates and times to show your ad. Step 6, choose your format. Here are some different ad formats you can choose from. Photo ad, a 4x5 static standalone image asset with a caption. Carousel ads, which are multiple images or videos in a swipeable format. Reels ads, these are short form vertical video ads that should be no longer than 60 seconds, but shorter is definitely better. And Stories ads, which are full screen vertical ads in IG Stories. Step 7, upload creative content. Always use high quality visuals, whether they are images or a video. Write engaging captions with a hook to immediately capture your audience's attention, and include a call to action like shop now or learn more, and a direct link to your website. Later, we're gonna go into how to make your IG Reels go viral, which is where I'll give you more tips and tricks when it comes to your hooks and captions. But first, now that you've got your profile in check and your ad campaigns ready to go, it's time to connect your e-commerce store to Instagram. Don't have a website yet? With Shopify, you can build a professional online store in minutes with no coding required. Because learning how to code, ain't nobody got time for that. Shopify makes it easy to manage everything from inventory to payments on one seamless platform fully integrated with Instagram. Imagine doing this 10 years ago. For those of you who already have an account with us, if you haven't already, connecting your account is a must. Once set up, you can easily tag products in your posts and stories, making shopping seamless for your customers. Let me be frank with you. People don't really like having to leave an app to read an article, watch a video, or in this case, buy something. Tagging the product directly in the post allows customers to buy your product without even leaving Instagram. So in case you haven't connected your Shopify store to IG, follow these steps. You'll need an active Shopify store. Earlier, we got you set up with an IG business account and linked it to Facebook, so now you'll want to set up a Facebook shop. Use Meta's Commerce Manager to create a Facebook shop linked to your business page, which will allow you to tag products on IG. Integrate IG and Shopify. In your Shopify dashboard, click Sales Channels, Facebook and Instagram. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook account, which will then sync your products across both platforms. Enable IG shopping. After your products are approved by Instagram, which may take a few days, enable shopping by going to Settings, Business, Shopping. And finally, tag products in posts. When posting on IG, use the Tag Products option to link your Shopify products. And if it's a photo, don't forget to strategically place the tag within the frame where it makes sense and doesn't totally block the product. Once you finish this setup, you can actually manage IG and Facebook sales directly through your Shopify dashboard. This is like so much easier than you thought, right? That's why everyone's already doing it. Now that you've got everything set up and ready to go, the money question is, how do you make an IG Reel go viral? Instagram is all about Reels. In fact, the algorithm prioritizes them. So, focus on trends and create engaging content that speaks to your audience. Use trending audio, participate in challenges, and don't shy away from behind-the-scenes content. Authenticity sells. Here are some best practices to make your IG Reels go viral. viral. Hook your viewers within the first 3 seconds because attention spans are short. How do you do this? By having attention-grabbing visuals and bold captions that explain how your product or service is a solution to a problem. Hooks don't have to just be captions. It can also be sound. Use trending audio when it's trending. Don't save it to use it later because by the time you do remember to use it, it probably won't be trending anymore. Using trending audio will also increase the chance of Instagram's algorithm boosting your reel to more people. Pro tip: try to use audio that has been used for 10,000 reels or less and has a beat that drops within the first 2 seconds. Add running captions to reels because 80% of viewers watch without sound. Add a call to action to engage your viewer and encourage them to comment. The best post length for a reel right now is between 7 to 11 seconds. Anything less than 4 seconds gets marked as spam. However, IG is trying to push longer form content the same way YouTube and TikTok are right now. So when you do post a longer video, still make sure you are posting super valuable content within that first 7 to 11 second window and that the video clip is changing every 7 to 11 seconds. Make it loopable. Reels that loop smoothly are more likely to be rewatched, which translates into more views, which taps into that algorithm. Post at optimal times and engage immediately. I already showed you how to find out what time your viewers are most active, so use that info to upload your reel during that time to increase early engagement. After posting, respond quickly to comments to maintain momentum and boost visibility. Understanding algorithm changes. All of the best practices I just shared with you align with Instagram's current algorithm, but I do just want to touch on a few extra points. So let's talk about how the algorithm works at the time of recording this video. You may have noticed that some posts in your feed are from days, even weeks ago, because right now Instagram wants posts to have a longer shelf life. So if you have a post that is doing well, you should actually hold off from posting again for a little bit so that you can let that post continue to hit. Bars. The same strategy goes for your stories, and if your story is getting a low amount of views, you should actually take 24 hours off from posting. And when you do come back, utilize polls or post something that's going to get your followers to like it, because that engagement will signal to IG that it needs to push it out more. As I mentioned, early engagement is key. So whether it's a static post or a reel, a call to action encouraging viewers to comment and share your post and commenting back is what ultimately triggers the algorithm to share it even more. And there you have it, the complete Instagram for Business tutorial. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to transform your Instagram presence into a thriving business tool. Now you know how to grow your audience with smart strategies, run ads that convert, connect your e-commerce store to IG for seamless shopping, and create reels with viral potential. With these tools in your pocket, you're ready to turn followers into customers and build lasting brand visibility. The key takeaway from today's video: consistency, creativity, and understanding your audience are non-negotiable. And don't forget, Instagram's algorithm loves early engagement, so always include a call to action for comments and respond to them right away. Focus on building real connections. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, hit that like button down below, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Learn with Shopify for more valuable insights and in-depth tutorials when it comes to social media, like how to drop ship on Instagram and how to use TikTok marketing to make your business go viral. Speaking of TikTok, do y'all want a video just like this one, but for TikTok? If so, let me know in the comments. I'm your host, Kylie Marr. See you soon.